Hey guys, what's going on? This video is on Lysol Neutra Air 2-in-1 in Tropical Breeze scent. Remember just a couple years ago, people were going nuts over Lysol. It was being sold for like triple the price of what it was pre-pandemic. It's insane to think back at that. I was so happy just to get Lysol. I'm still happy to get Lysol because I am getting over COVID and I have two kids and my husband in the house who managed really not to get sick with me. And I think a lot of that is because of Lysol. So this has, honestly, it doesn't have the best scent. It does smell tropical, but you could smell that it's like a cleaner. It kills odor causing bacteria. It's 10-ounce container. The active ingredients are ethanol. Super, super easy to use. Kitchen, bathroom, pet areas, kills viruses. Look, it says human coronavirus on it. Bacteria. And directions for use, you just unlock cap. It's actually childproof, which is nice. Just turn it. And I like to use this on all different surfaces. Door handles, even like the bathroom flusher. And I usually will just like hold it 10 inches away from where I want to, about 10 inches away from where I want to use it. And it's good to go. So turn counterclockwise in 2 clicks to lock. And to unlock and then lock the cap after the use. For use in the air, hold can upright, spray towards the center of the room. And it doesn't leave any residue whatsoever. So I'm just going to go ahead. I spray it on here. Since everyone in the family uses that. Light switch, everybody's touching that. Handle of the bathroom sink, everybody's touching that. My door handles. Kills bacteria. You got to have this in your house, you guys.